the end of the 70s, we became aware of the laser, which had so far not yet been developed in the metalworking industry. Laser cutting was the first innovative technology. Further, we used the welding process to perform hardening and heat treatment applications. It can now be said that the additive manufacturing of components comes next, shooting a metal powder jet three-dimensionally in space into the focal point of the laser beam in order to melt the metal powder grains. In general, the laser cladding process for additive manufacturing provides the benefit that we can apply a huge amount of material within a very short time. This allows us to quickly produce components three-dimensionally, thus achieving superior productivity. This concept is fascinating as we use a coarse additive manufacturing process, and the accuracy is ensured by a milling application. This hybrid manufacturing process is ideal for us. The 5-axis application allows us to process the workpieces all round. In general, we start from a 3D CAD model. In this context, it is favorable to use a software solution from the design phase to programming through to production. Only with Siemens NX are we able to prepare the data accordingly for the additive and ablative processes. The software we are using is completely based on NX. That means NX CAD, NX CAM, and NX Additive. Software simulation is a key factor because every minor shock on the spindle or the laser head would cause enormous damage. The customer requests a component. On the basis of the customer data, we design a customized model using NX CAD. Then we process this model via the CAM program, define the laser and milling operations, and transfer the program to the machine. The Sinomeric can access the server. That means as soon as the post program is ready, the machine can load the program. In contrast to the processes applied by other machine manufacturers, this is relatively simple. The Sinomeric operator interface has a very simple design. You can directly see what you are doing. We had a 1-week training period which was sufficient to get familiarized with Sinomeric. We try to implement complicated applications and make the process fit for the industry. This is a topic where we closely cooperate with Siemens. We are closely cooperating in the field of development, technologies, and applications. In many cases, we receive support in the short term. Some topics can be quickly clarified in a personal conversation. Last but not least, we have the possibility to discuss improvements on the real workpiece and jointly solve problems, which will help us further advance the technology. We have a dream that we want to realize little by little. Proceed fast and quickly from a virtual model easily to the production of 3D contours on the machine.
Und 3D-Konturen aufbauen. Und dies Ganze kann eben nur funktionieren mit.
This is only possible when using excellent software and data with parameters that fit for additive manufacturing processes. And this is exactly our topic. We aim at developing these parameters in cooperation with a strong partner who is much larger than our company, who takes us seriously, and who integrates our ideas and our philosophy into the software. We can achieve this in cooperation with Siemens, the combination of our skills with the skills of Siemens.